Now let's set
Season 5 Episode 8. Classic Caillou puts DVD disc on the dishwasher /DVD burn /grounded. Enjoy!
Are you kidding me? Why is DVD is not working? Now let's clean.
When Classic Caillou cleaned a DVD.
Finally, now let's put on DVD disc. Are you freaking kidding me? Because I am cleaning DVD? It's not fair! What should I do? Oh, wait! I have an idea. I'm going to put a DVD in the dishwasher. Now let's go to the kitchen.
When Classic Caillou got to the kitchen.
Time to put a DVD on the dishwasher. There's in 55 minutes. Anyways, let's start. Finally, dishwasher is started. Red light is beeping sound.
3 hours and 55 minutes later.
Oh no! My DVD is burned. My dad is going to kill me.
When Classic Caillou's dad came home going to kitchen.
Oh no! It's my dad. I'm put into the dishwasher. Let me see.
Classic Caillou, I cannot believe you putting a DVD into the dishwasher, but I told you not to do it. That's it. You're grounded until Plotter Go Animate reached 600 subscribers. Go to your room right now.
Washington. Hey.